Welcome. In this video I will show you how to hard reset, factory reset a Huawei B529 modem router designed for T-Mobile abonnents, and to hard reset it and restore all the default settings, you need to turn it upside down, open this flap and use like an office paper clip or something like that to press that button and hold it for over 10 seconds, and you can release it, and as you can see all the LED lights are flashing. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel and give us a like.